Aloha. My storage shed was appalling, so I decided to do something about it. So I moved my chrome shelf all the way to the right. That left a 24 by 36 inch space where I decided to go down to Lowe's and buy 4 2x4 by 8s for 12 bucks and start constructing this. The problem that I found out was if I built it outside the storage shed, it will not fit in without me taking the shed apart or removing the chrome shelving. So my solution was to screw 2 door hinges in so that I could fold the floor up inside the frame. That way I could angle it in and it would fit fine. I then bought 3 manufactured half-inch plywood 2x4 sheets, cut them to fit. Now I've got 3 shelves. I also, for the floor and for the top shelf, I used my Kreg Jig to join the wood together. And this also helps. If you have one of these, it's a drill driver all in one. You press this red button and the whole front swivels, so you can drill and then drive. It's a cool tool. Anyway, that's my solution. The 3 manufactured plywood panels cost $24, so total cost for the whole project is less than 40 bucks. And I think it came out pretty good.